Welcome everyone to the second class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about how to create table in SQLite. For that, we are going to see an example. So you have to type create, that is the keyword, and then you have to type table, and then you have to type the table name. So table name can be your own choice. For that, I am going to type students, that is my table name, and then you have to type open bracket. So inside the open bracket, you have to type the columns available for your table. For that, my students table consists of columns like name, age, roll number, department and course. So you can type any number of columns, whatever you want. First, we are going to type the student's name, that is name. And then you have to type along with their data type. So data type can be varchar data type. So you have to type varchar. Inside the bracket, you have to type any number of values up to 255. So you have to type comma to end the statement. After that, we are going to type roll number for the students. So roll number is nothing but integer data type. So you have to put comma and then you have to start the next line. So students having the department, so you have to type department. So department can be varchar data type. So inside the bracket, you can type your own value and then you have to put comma to end the statement. So students have the courses, so you have to type course and also it is varchar data type. At last, the students have age, that is the last column. Age is the last column. So age is nothing but integer data type. So you have to type int and then you have to close the bracket and then you have to put semicolon to end the statement. So this is the syntax for creating the table in the SQLite. So it is the same as MySQL and also Oracle SQL. So there is no difference in the SQLite for creating the table. So data types can be like integer data type, float data type, char data type, varchar data type, boolean data type. So there are many data types in the SQLite. Also you can see the data types like date, time. So you can choose any one of them. So you have to choose the data types according to your columns. If the roll number is integer, you have to choose the integer only. You don't have to choose the varchar data type. So the varchar can be 255 values, that is inside the bracket you can type up to 255. So you have to run this SQLite statement for creating the table. So you have to select all and select execute statement. So in the output you can see our table is created successfully. So there are no errors for creating our table. So we are going to see our table in the DB browser. For that, you have to close all the options in the right hand side. You have to close all. And then you can see in the tables, the student table is created very successfully. Also, you can see the columns, that is the name, department, roll number, course and ages, along with their data type, that is varchar, integer. So we are going to create the second table, that is teacher table. For that you have to type create table and then table name. Table name can be your own choice. Inside the bracket you have to type your column names. The first one is the name and also with the varchar data type. And the second one is the ID. ID for the students. ID is the integer data type. And the third one is the department. So department is also varchar data type. So you can type any number of values. So course is also varchar data type. And the last one is the age. So age is also integer data type. So you don't have to use the age as varchar. You have to choose integer or float. So you have to end the statement with a semicolon. So this is the syntax for creating the table in the SQLite. So we have created two tables in the SQLite. The first one is the students and the second one is the teachers. So teachers also contains the same columns. So you can type any number of columns, whatever you want. After that, we are going to run this statement. You have to select all and then you have to select execute. So in the right hand side, you can see the teacher table is created successfully. Also, you can see the execution finished without errors. So in the teachers also contains the same number of columns, name, ID, department, course and age along with their data type. So in the upcoming class, we are going to see about how to insert the values in the created tables. So let's see you in the next class.